All right, what's up traders? It's Mark here. Happy Monday. Let's take a look at today's trading setups, and you can see the software identified a beautiful short signal this morning, once again allowing us to wrap up and finish our trading before 11 a.m. Right, guys and gals? And as usual, I always want to give a big warm welcome to all of my new clients who I onboarded over the weekend and last week. And I'm absolutely thrilled that you did so well on your first day. That's the best feeling in the world, man, as far as validation with respect to what powerful trading software can do for beginner traders, right? So let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live market price action of the NASDAQ. Yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on FOREX, on futures, and on stocks and options. The NASDAQ, as you know, is, first of all, it's my favorite symbol. But more importantly, the NASDAQ is, at this moment in time, the most volatile trading symbol in the universe. Okay, this thing is moving anywhere from 500 to 1,000 ticks or pips, if you follow along in Forex, okay, every single day. And the intraday moves that take place on the NAS simply defy belief. I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? The NASDAQ is simply on fire, and this is a day trader's dream. Okay, now of course what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary green and red volume indicator color band, and this indicator, in my humble opinion, is probably the most superior trading indicator on the planet with respect to how well it can identify the starting point of trends in the market. You understand? Now listen, we're basically at the halfway point of the year. Yes, you heard me say that correctly. 6 months out of this year is gone, right? And you kind of have to ask yourself, how did your 6 months go with respect to your trading, right? Did you do well? If so, great. Or did you do poorly? And if so, how do you plan to change that? Because you guys know the stats, right? 90% of day traders fail, and they fail miserably, okay? And in my humble opinion, I think that the reason that those 90% fail and will continue to fail is because they don't have a logical or coherent strategy. You understand? Now, when you look at a trend trading strategy, okay, the first thing that my customers tell me is, yes, this is very, very effective at identifying a trend change, right? For example, just green and red, right? When the indicator turns red, it tells you that the sellers are in control. And when the indicator turns green, it tells you that the buyers are in control. But all of you guys who've been with me for a long time, and especially those of you that have been with me since day one, you know that the color change alone is not enough. We only want to pay attention for setups and signals like this. You understand? Now, what's so special about this signal over here versus the color change, right? Well, guys and gals, you've heard me say this a million times. This is a retracement. What is a retracement? Well, it's simply any area where the market establishes a direction, in this case to the short side, but then it comes up a little bit, right? Then it pulls back, aka it retraces to this volume color band and starts coming up, 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 and then kaboom! It results in one of these, right? A red reversal bar that prints right on top of the band, okay, this volume color indicator band, and the high of that bar has got to be above the band. I mean, that's it. We're just conducting 3 different checks, aka we're qualifying our trading setup before we take the trade. And this is a method that a lot of you guys and gals out there don't even bother doing, right? None of you guys are qualifying your trades. You guys are taking any old random setup without knowing the direction of the overall market. And if you ask me, I think that, knowing the direction, this is mission critical, right? But like I said, knowing the direction's not enough. You have to be ready and be able to pounce on these retracements, okay? Because look at this. I mean, this thing came at 9:30 in the morning, right? I've said this to you guys repeatedly. The best trading setups, in my opinion, show up in the morning session. And in addition, there's no better feeling in the world, like I said a few minutes ago, than wrapping up your trading by 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. or lunchtime or whatever you consider to be the morning session, right? I mean, what other job or career path do you think is out there that lets you finish your workday by 11 a.m., right? I'm not aware of any other than the day trading industry, right? Now, of course, there's a lot more nuances to what I just described here. For example, when it comes to actually taking a potential short trade, the location of that short trade would go on the open of the next bar. So this is where to potentially go short. And then we place our stop loss, 1 or 2 ticks or pips above that signal bar's high. And we just let the market do the dirty work for us, right? We just let the market hopefully establish a continuation of that trend that actually started on the color change, right? So as you guys can see, retracements allow you to get on board that train before the train leaves the station. And these moves happen so quick and so fast. I mean, it allows you to get in and get out really quickly, in my opinion. Case in point, again, this trade was open at about 9:30 and it was done by like 9:45. And so to be honest with you guys, I feel really good about being a trading minimalist. I don't want to take 10 to 20 different trades every day. I just want to take 1 or 2 good trades every day. You understand? And I honestly believe that is the difference between a consistent trader and a struggling trader. I mean, this is real talk, guys, right? Here we are on a lovely Monday. What a great Monday it is to start the trading week, right? I love putting a bunch of ticks and pips in my pocket to start the week, because this allows me to become maybe a little bit more aggressive during the rest of the week. And I'm convinced beyond a shadow of a doubt that this retracement method on this volume indicator, it just works, man. I truly, truly believe that. And you guys would be amazed at how often these retracements show up in every market. Again, whether you trade Forex or futures or stocks and options, man, it's an absolute dream. All right, guys and gals. So once again, happy Monday. Hope you had a fantastic start to your trading week. And as we close out the first half of the year and transition into the second half of the year, I'm going to be back with you tomorrow and show you how we're going to make that second half of our trading year spectacular. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.